Welcome back to the channel LuxMotorNovus, where we explore cars that shape everyday driving with smart design and thoughtful engineering. Today, we're diving into a Volkswagen model that truly reflects what the brand stands for: reliability, comfort, and understated sophistication built for real-world use. Right from the outside, this Volkswagen makes a strong first impression without trying too hard. The design is clean and modern, with sharp lines that give it character while maintaining a timeless appeal. The front end feels confident, highlighted by sleek headlights and a well-proportioned grille that adds a touch of premium presence. From the side, the car looks balanced and stable, and the rear design ties everything together with simplicity and elegance, making it suitable for both urban streets and open highways. Once inside, the cabin welcomes you with a solid, well-crafted feel. Everything is laid out with purpose, making it easy to understand and operate even if you're stepping into a Volkswagen for the first time. The seats are designed for comfort and support, whether you're driving across town or heading out on a long journey. Materials feel durable yet refined, and there's a sense of quality that Volkswagen owners have come to expect. The infotainment system sits neatly at the center, offering touchscreen controls, smartphone integration, navigation, and clear visuals, while the digital instrument cluster keeps essential driving information right in your line of sight. Under the hood, this Volkswagen offers a variety of engine options tailored to different needs. Whether you're focused on fuel efficiency or want a bit more power for confident overtaking, the performance feels smooth and predictable. Acceleration is controlled and responsive, making city driving relaxed and highway cruising effortless. The suspension setup does an excellent job of absorbing bumps and uneven surfaces, delivering a comfortable ride without sacrificing stability. Steering is light and easy at low speeds, perfect for tight parking situations, and becomes more precise as speed increases, giving the driver a reassuring sense of control. Driving this Volkswagen feels calm and refined. The cabin remains impressively quiet, even at higher speeds, reducing fatigue on longer trips. Safety plays a major role in the overall experience, with features such as advanced braking systems, stability control, multiple airbags, and driver assistance technologies designed to support the driver and passengers at all times. These systems work smoothly in the background, enhancing confidence without being distracting. Practicality is another strong point. Passenger space is generous, making it comfortable for both front and rear occupants, and the boot offers enough room for daily errands, travel bags, or weekend adventures. Storage spaces throughout the cabin are thoughtfully designed, adding convenience to everyday use. Fuel efficiency remains a highlight, helping to keep ownership costs manageable over time. What really sets this Volkswagen apart is how well it balances all these elements. It doesn't rely on flashy features or aggressive styling to stand out. Instead, it delivers a well-rounded experience built on comfort, safety, efficiency, and long-term dependability. This is a car made for drivers who appreciate solid engineering, modern technology, and a smooth, confident drive every time they hit the road. If you're looking for a vehicle that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle while offering lasting value, this Volkswagen makes a compelling case.